Hey guys, David Lake here with Newport Richie Harley-Davidson. I'm standing outside with this 2015 XG750 Trike conversion. Absolutely gorgeous bike in a teal color. Has black powder coated forks to make the forks look nicer for longer. Blacked out pipe, absolutely no chrome. Has milled accents on the motor. Ride number 1 logos all over the bike. We do have this bike offered for $13,995. It is going to be one of the cheapest ways to get into a tricycle motorcycle. The bike is liquid cooled, so it helps keep the motor a lot cooler while you are out riding on those long trips. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this bike, come on down to Newport Richie Harley-Davidson. See me, David Lake. I'll take you out on a test drive. We do offer financing in the store as well. If you aren't able to make it in the store, check out our website at hdflorida.com. Check out our inventory, let us know what you like, and give us a call. Thanks for watching and have a great day.